Welcome to this NUITEQ Symphony tutorial. Symphony is a digital makerspace that empowers educators and students to create, explore, and collaborate using an interactive whiteboard platform. In this guide, we'll walk through all the essential features, tools, and workflows to help you get the most out of your Symphony whiteboard experience. You have two ways to create a new Symphony whiteboard. Select Create from the top menu and choose Symphony Whiteboard. Or click Symphony Whiteboard in the top menu, then choose Create Symphony Whiteboard. Name your whiteboard and click Create to begin. At the bottom of your screen is your toolbar. To show or hide it, use the Hide Toolbar icon. Open the full menu by clicking the three-line icon. From here, you can go back to the Chorus home screen, save the Symphony whiteboard to the Chorus community with options to keep private, share publicly, or share as unlisted. Share for real-time collaboration with students, send as an assignment to students, create a new Symphony whiteboard or import another whiteboard file, enable or disable the infinite canvas, lock page panning, download the whiteboard as a PDF, center the page within the viewing window, send your whiteboard to the AI assistant to auto-generate a Chorus lesson activity, allow or restrict student navigation between pages, pin the toolbar dock to the left, right, or center, access the Symphony user manual, which will provide you with complete details for each feature and function available in Symphony. On the right side, you'll find the page controls. Use the plus icon to add a new page. Use the trash can icon to delete all pages. Navigate between pages with the up and down arrows. Use the page switcher to reorder pages and delete individual pages. Use the mini map to find specific areas on an infinite canvas. On the top corner, you will see the Symphony information. Click the information icon on the top left corner to edit the Symphony whiteboard info. You can add a description, subject, age group, language, keywords, and academic standards, web links, as well as PDFs. Be sure to click Save Changes. There is also an option to enter full screen mode on the top left corner. Let's explore the tools available on the whiteboard from left to right. Beginning with the pen tool for annotations. This opens pen, brush, highlighter, shape recognizer, and the laser pointer. Choose from the different color options and use the slider to adjust the line thickness. Next is the eraser tool. Use the swipe erase to erase specific areas of the page, or use the clear page to delete all the content within the page. The Move tool allows you to reposition objects on the Symphony whiteboard page. Clicking on an object or digital media within a page will open an additional tool menu, resizing handles, and rotating arrows. The additional menu tools include the option to duplicate the object, flip horizontally, flip vertically, make full screen, lock in place, bring to the front, align horizontally, clear annotations, and delete. Symphony Whiteboard supports a variety of digital media. The Embed a Web Page icon can be used to add PhET simulations, YouTube videos, and live web pages to the Symphony Whiteboard. For PhET simulations, browse the list of math and science simulations or use keywords to search for specific content. For YouTube videos, the NUITEQ K-12 educational content videos have been curated for easy access. You can also search for videos using keywords or copy and paste a YouTube URL into the search bar. Web pages can also be added to the Symphony Whiteboard. Once selected, type or paste the URL for the website you wish to open. Please note that some websites do not allow embedding. In addition to web media, digital media can be added to Symphony Whiteboards. The media icon will allow you to bring digital media such as PDFs, MP3s, MP4s, JPEGs, PNG, and GIFs to the Symphony Whiteboard. You can access your saved media from OneDrive or Google Drive. The content gallery contains curated media like graphic organizers for various subject and grade levels. Online image search will allow you to use keywords to search for media online. Choose this device to connect to your computer's hard drive. Selecting the Add Chorus lesson activity will allow you to embed your lesson activities directly onto the Symphony Whiteboard. The lesson activity will function just as it would when played from My Lesson Activities. An additional toolbar will allow you to duplicate the lesson activity, make full screen, lock the lesson activity, bring to front, align horizontally, or delete. Tapping the Tools icon reveals an expanded set of features. Clicking the background icon will allow you to change the background of your Symphony Whiteboard. In addition to the available color backgrounds, you can also upload an image from your computer by selecting Picture. Selecting grids will open different grid configurations. Selecting lines will bring up various line layouts. The opacity slider will adjust the transparency of your background. Reset will return the background to the original whiteboard background. The Notepad tool is a great feature for extended responses. Select the font type, size, and alignment, then tap the screen to add the notepad. The notepad sizes can be adjusted using the corner handles. When the notepad contains text, it will gain scrolling capability. The text icon will allow you to place text onto the Symphony Whiteboard. Select from a variety of font types, choose the alignment, use the slider to adjust the font size, and select a color option. Then click anywhere on the screen to begin adding your text. The text box can be adjusted using the corner handles, and additional options are available in the toolbar. The Stamps tool enables the placement of digital stamps onto the screen. To use it, first choose a stamp, then simply tap anywhere on the screen where you want the stamp to appear. Shapes allows for 2D and 3D shapes, various lines, and arrows. Choose from Shape Fill Colors and Outline Colors. Use the sliders to adjust the opacity and outline thickness. Tap on the screen to add the shape. Use the corner handles to adjust the size of the shape. Additional tools appear when the shape is selected. The record icon allows you to add recorded audio to the Symphony whiteboard. After selecting Record, choose Audio to add the recording option to the screen. Tap the red circle to begin recording. Then use the black square to stop recording. After adding a recording, simply click the play icon to listen. The Math tools contain a robust collection of mathematical tools. Select the ruler icon to add a ruler to the page. The lock icon will keep the ruler in position. The arrow allows for changing the size of the ruler. Use the annotation tools to draw lines or create measurements with the ruler. Use the X to remove the ruler. The Compass tool provides a virtual simulation of a traditional compass. Position the circle to draw around the compass. The lock icon will keep the compass in place, while the resizing handle will change the scale of the compass. Toggle between radians or degrees. A protractor allows for angle measurement. The protractor can be locked into its desired location. After locking, the arrows enable fine-tuning of the angle. For measuring specific angles, utilize the blue circle. The Graph Library tool integrates digital graph paper onto the Symphony whiteboard. After selecting a graph, its size can be modified using the corner toggles. This feature enables users to annotate directly on graph paper and utilize supplementary math tools for problem solving. The calculator provides basic calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Tap the numbers and their functions for simple computations. The Graph tool is an advanced graphing calculator. Ensure the Show Grid checkbox is selected to display a grid on the graph for easier plotting and visual interpretation. The x-axis and y-axis length input fields allow users to define the visible range of the x and y-axis by entering a desired length, such as 10, to control the graph's scale and size. The left side keypad provides a convenient way to input numbers and perform mathematical operations. After entering an equation or data points, clicking the Compute button will generate the corresponding graph, plotting the function or data on the coordinate grid. The NUITEQ Chorus Symphony Equation Editor enables writing and displaying math expressions with basic arithmetic, exponents, radicals, brackets, and a menu for Greek letters and special symbols. The next tool is the camera feature. This allows users to connect to their computer webcam or a document camera to the Symphony whiteboard. Once selected, the camera will appear on the whiteboard page. Use the drop-down to select the desired camera if more than one is connected to your device. The camera can be rotated or mirrored, as well as made full screen. To take a snapshot, press the circle icon. The last tool is the Hide Reveal icon. When enabled, the whiteboard screen will become hidden. Use your fingers or mouse to adjust the position of the Hide feature. Select Reveal to remove the Hide option. Also on the main toolbar is the Undo and Redo options. Selecting Undo will remove the last action from the Symphony whiteboard, while Redo will return an undone action. Symphony whiteboards are a fantastic tool for direct instruction by allowing teachers to incorporate a variety of media and tools. They are also incredibly powerful for student collaboration, assessment, and creation. To send a Symphony whiteboard to students, choose the Send to Students option in the three-line menu. This will then navigate to your Chorus classes. Select a class, then choose the percentage metrics if you wish to make the Symphony whiteboard a gradable assessment. You can also determine which students will receive the Symphony whiteboard, the due date, and the send date. From the student's perspective, they will see the Symphony whiteboard as part of their Chorus classes. Students can interact with and manipulate items on the Symphony whiteboard, then select the Submit button to share the assignment with their teacher. Select Review to view individual student work on the Symphony whiteboard assignment. You will be able to add annotations, text, and any other tool items to the student's Symphony whiteboard. From the three-line menu, you can grade the Symphony whiteboard assignment or return it to the student for additional revisions. When choosing Grade and Complete, an additional pop-up will appear to provide a score for the student. You can type the percentage grade or adjust the slider to grade. Select Confirm to set the grade and allow students to view their score. Students also have the ability to create and share their own Symphony whiteboards with their teachers.